This is a bad boy, Trevor. In light of everything that took place, my apology. I said before, what I did was a wrong, uncalculated move and very selfish to host a party of such event in a time when coronavirus is going around. But I take full responsibility for everything. Now, it's important that you obey all the laws and protocols that the government set in place in light of this coronavirus. It's a serious epidemic that's coming around and can affect everybody. My bad, my judgment, my wrong, my responsibility. Now it's my chance to tell you, do the right thing. Social distance is important. Sanitize yourself and keep yourself safe. Okay? Don't go against what the government is trying to do. It's a wrong move, and I apologize. This is me. Not begging a pardon. We're trying to do the right thing out of a bad situation. I was brought upon because I'm an influential person in Jamaica. My voice speaks a lot. Now I'm talking to you. As an actor, your club hyper, your unleasher, your friend. This is me saying, my apology, obey our laws.